Do you know what? I am actually sat on the floor now for my watching my washing machine now. I've thought I'd get a different angle and I can see in the drum. I used to sit on the gym board, but I like to sit on the floor now. I'll try and do a day in the life of watching a washing machine as an autistic adult one day, where I just sit through a whole wash cycle watching a washer, because that's what I do with my daily life. But yeah, this is a good wash action, this. I like this one. There's roughly about 5 kilograms in here on a 10 kilogram washing machine. I think there's 3 tailing robes and 2 bath towels. But yeah, I like this wash action.